Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using some scrapbook paper and this sign I got from Dollar Tree. I started by removing the center plaque, wetting down that piece of paper that was stuck on there. I let the water sit on there for about 5 minutes and then scraped it off with my plastic blade. I then painted the edges with mineral color chalk paint, giving those full coverage. Next, I'm taking two different style scrapbook paper. This one is from Hobby Lobby, and I'm cutting 4 strips of it, about 1.25 inches. This next paper I got from Temu, and I cut 4 strips of those about the same size. Next, I'm taking Mod Podge and applying a layer of that to the bottom portion of the sign, just about the size of the paper. I line that up flush with the bottom. I smooth that out with my hands and then use my heat tool to dry that. I then do another layer of Mod Podge, and I am overlapping the paper, so I make sure to get it on the previous paper. I apply that down, again smoothing it out with my hands and drying it with my heat tool. I then continue this process until I have it completely covered. And I forgot to mention that this sign from Dollar Tree is about 8 by 8. Once the Mod Podge is completely dry, I go around and sand off the excess paper with my micro sander. I then add a layer of Mod Podge on top. I dried that with my heat tool, and while it was still hot, I took some parchment paper and smoothed out any bubbles that were on there. Next, I'm taking this piece of plank wood from Dollar Tree. It's about 4.5 by 4.5, painting the front and sides with English Navy acrylic paint, drying that completely. Taking this stencil and pixie spray I got from Amazon, I spray the back of it with pixie spray. It gives it a light tack to keep it into place. Place it on the piece of plank wood, and then with a stencil brush and very minimal paint on it, which I used white acrylic paint, stenciling on the design, giving it a couple coats. I dry that completely and then fill in the gap left by the stencil. The last thing I do is add some hot glue to the back of the plaque and place it on the center of the sign. And I just eyeballed it to get the placement. That's it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.